Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to utilize all those little leftover vegetables that we have and make a spicy mixed veg pancake, or also you can call it tikki. And now let's begin our process. और हम ये रेसिपी शुरू करें उसके पहले मैं आपको अपने दूसरे चैनल के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। आप सबके डिमांड पे मैंने वो दूसरा चैनल शुरू किया है जिसका नाम है एट होम विद अल्पा इन हिंदी। ऊपर जो लिंक दिख रहा है बस उसे क्लिक कर दीजिए और हो जाइए सब्सक्राइब मेरे उस दूसरे चैनल को भी। और चलिए अब हम शुरू करते हैं ये रेसिपी को। So for this recipe guys, I have taken 2 medium sized potatoes which I have grated, and then I have kept them in the water for 10 minutes. Then I squeezed all the water out, and this helps in removing excess starch from the potatoes. And now to this grated potatoes, we are going to add 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, followed by 1 small green capsicum finely chopped, comes to about 2 tablespoons of green capsicum, 1 small red capsicum or bell pepper finely chopped, 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped, 1/4 cup or 1 medium sized carrot which I've grated. Then I had some cabbage leaves, so I'm adding that as well, about 1/8 cup of cabbage leaves. You can add whatever vegetables you have in the fridge to this. I'm also going to add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, followed by 4 to 5 mild green chillies finely sliced, 1/4 cup of dhania which is fresh coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds which is jeera, followed by half teaspoon of dry mango powder which is amchur powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder which is kali mirch powder, 2 tablespoons of bengal gram flour which is besan, followed by 3 tablespoons of cornflour. If you don't have cornflour, you can always replace it with adding extra bengal gram flour. And now let's add salt to taste and let's give everything a good mix. You guys can always use your hand to mix it as well. Once everything is nicely mixed in, your dough should look or batter should look something like this. And let's take a small amount of this batter into our hands and let's see if we can give it a shape of a tikki. So guys, if you cannot retain the shape, if it is too thin or if it is falling apart, then just add a little bit of corn flour or bengal gram flour to it and give it a good mix again. And here guys, I've taken a pan to which I'm adding a little bit of oil, and we are going to spread this oil evenly on the surface of the pan. Here I've taken the pan which has 4 cavities to it, but if you have a normal pan, you can use that as well. And now let's add our tikkis or pancakes on top of the cavities and press it down very gently so as to give it a circle shape. And once we have achieved the shape, then we are simply going to repeat the same process till the time we have 4 tikkis in our pan. And after we have all the tikkis in the pan, then let's add a little bit of oil to the edges of these tikkis or pancake. And now we are going to cook them for 3 to 5 minutes on a low flame. Also guys, do not forget to cover up with a lid. It's been 4 minutes and it's time for us to flip our tikkis. So let's flip one at a time and look at them. They're looking so delicious, aren't they? So let's just flip all of them and we are going to cook them for just about a minute and a half, or until they turn golden brown in color from both sides. And once that happens, it's time for us to remove our tikkis. So let's now remove them and place them in a plate covered with a paper towel so that it sucks all that excess oil. And your healthy, spicy mixed veg pancake or tikkis are ready. Do have it with some spicy chutney or with some ketchup. And guys, this is one more way that I like to serve it to kids, because I know kids love different shapes. So do try it, serving it like this to your kids. and I'm telling you, they're going to fall in love with this new recipe. So do make it, do let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and all these other links, because these are recipes which you don't want to miss. Also, please do support my second channel, which is At Home with Alpa in Hindi, by subscribing to it, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.